Charlie.
Hold on, boys. Looking for a great big one. Huh. I don't see a great big one. The only big one I see is this. Yeah.